we going?
I forgot.
We're going to NUVALI. Hi guys.
Can I hold the camera?
Well, we're in Santa Rosa Laguna and we are at Ayala Malls. See a landmark there? Let's just walk around and explore, guys. Let me see, Fifi. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you excited to explore Ayala Malls? Okay.
You need to walk with
They have a UCC coffee right there. And look, ahead there is a TGI Fridays. Go!
Oh.
Tell us about your dinosaur here. What's his name?
I didn't name it yet.
You didn't name your dinosaur yet? We're exploring. We're going to look for a playground. We were here before, but it's been a long time. Look, they have sushi nori over there. Let's go up here because it's shaded. We're looking for a playground, guys. Ayala Malls. Oh look, babe, they have an Anytime Fitness over there. Anytime Fitness. Alright guys, we made it to Fridays. This is where we're eating. Friday. And we just ordered our food, so now we are waiting. Pippa's playing some Roblox. Fifi's watching, keeping herself busy watching this. Alright, Pippa and Fifi just got their food. They got chicken nuggets and french fries. Fifi got the same thing. And we also have the mango tango. You want some? Here, I'm gonna hold it for you. All done, guys. All done except for Michelle. Do it again.
La la la.
Let me see. Don't cover your face. Sing it. La la la.
La la la. Lu lu lu. Ooh ooh.
La la la. Lu lu lu. Oops. Are you guys full? Wait for you. You better hurry up. See what Fifi's up to.
I want glasses.
Yeah, you want what?
Glasses.
You got glasses already.
No. I want a keychain. I'm full of stone.
Yeah, she's saying what she wants. How much is that?
69 pesos.
Huh?
69 pesos.
Alright, let's get it. Fifi, Pippa, you want to? Go pick your color. Okay, we have to pay for it. I thought you want glasses. You want that one? Okay, let's go. Where's the counter? Where do we pay?
Ito? You're not using it. Make sure you're gonna use that.
Wow. Alright, let's go. You want that? Fifi, you want that? Okay, pay for that. Let's go. Over here, Pippa. Follow Mommy. She has to pay for that. They got some toys. We're gonna break a left. We gotta go this way. Whoa. You guys ready for Vista Mall? Ready for Vista Mall? Alright. Wow, you're so pretty. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, what did Pippa get?
A keychain.
It's a keychain, huh? For your car? What about Auntie Michelle? What toy? Oh, Auntie Michelle got a dinosaur, huh? Auntie Michelle got a dinosaur. So cute. Fun day, fun day. Does Daddy look cool with the camera? Do I look like a professional vlogger? We're at Vista Mall, guys. They're about to go to Kinder City. Oh. Okay, guys, I'm getting some Tim Hortons while they're at the playground. I got the regular iced coffee with extra espresso shot. Ballerina cappuccino. Are you having fun?
Yeah, look at
Where's Fifi? Almost done. Here we are at Kinder City, Vista Mall, Santa Rosa Laguna. Oh, try it again. You guys here? Trying to do the balance beam. Oh. What's his name? Brewster? His name is Brewster. Phoebe.
Hi, Bruce. Hi, my name is Brewster. I'm flying.
They're all done. Now it's time to go home.
I want Jamba Juice.
Jamba Juice is at Ayala Malls. You can go back there. You don't want to backtrack. Okay, you gotta go that way. Oh no. Did you have a good time, Fifi? Okay, are you ready to go home? All right, let's go. Time to take a nap.
Tom, 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 tom. Going home now, baby.
It's me and you.
I want green.
Take a picture.
I'm hot.
Go this way. Yeah, mommy. All right, let's go. It looks like it's gonna rain, huh?